I'm very excited to share this with you. I bought these recently because I was looking for a microphone to put into my computer or into my phone, and something that's not too expensive, which this really wasn't. As you can see, it's charging as I'm speaking to you now because I just used it. I'm not using it right now because I want to share it with you. So I've put it in the charger. It comes in this cute little case. I mean, look how small that is to fit in your hand. It has a charging cable, two charging cables actually. Two charging cables, which I've already charged the box. So as you can see, it's charging the pieces. And it comes with an adapter to put directly into your computer as well as directly into your phone. When you open this little case, you probably can see the little red light there because it's actually charging right now. You get two microphones, which is really handy because while you're using one and the battery's going down, the other one's fully charged. So you're never without a mic, which is fantastic. It comes with a little receiver. This goes directly into your phone, and there's nothing you have to do. You slot it into your phone, done, and it starts working. There's no special apps or anything like that, which really is handy as well, especially if you're not too sure which ones work with which. It's handy. You have little lights that once it's in your phone, they will shine to show that the mic is connected to this. One thing I must say, because I didn't do it at the beginning, remember to press the button to turn it on. Because I didn't turn it on, and it's sound protective. So because I didn't have it on, nothing recorded. It had no outside interference, which is really good to know. So you keep this pressed down and two lights will come on. It won't come on now because I haven't put this into the phone. But the two lights will come on. One is the sound reducing and one is to say you're connected to the receiver. It has a little clip or a magnet which you put on one side of your clothing and the other inside, which has got a nice grip. Either one works. It comes with little dust covers, quite stylish as well. They're pretty cute. I really think this is such a good purchase. And as you can see, everything packs away. And it's busy charging. I'm really, really happy with this, and I'm really happy to share it with you.